Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato over at AMBRO Manufacturing again, and today we're going to take a look at screen printing on the leg of flannel pants. Typically, a flannel pant leg is somewhere between 24 and 26 inches. Not many screen printers can print that big, so we specialize in printing on legs of both flannel pants as well as the leg of a sweatpant. So let's take a look. All right, here we are at the manual press because this is a small job. It looks like we're printing two colors, but that's actually not the case. We're going to put down a white underbase first because the pant leg is black, and then we're going to put the yellow or gold color on top of it. So you can see here we've got a pant leg coming around. We're going to heat it up a little bit on our flash unit. That irons out the fabric a little bit, gets it ready for the print. Then we're going to spin it back and put down an underbase. That is the white. The reason why we do that is because we want the color to be consistent. And if you put yellow or gold on black, it's going to appear a little bit darker. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put down that white print, and that is going to give us that nice white underbase to accept the yellow/gold on top. After this print is placed, we're going to heat it up a little bit, get it gelled so that it's not tacky and doesn't stick on the yellow screen, and then we'll put down the yellow layer. Now we're going to spin that under, carefully taking up the screen first. It's a nice looking print right there. And let's get that flashed. We're going to come back, heat it up a little bit. Now this isn't drying it. This is just getting it tacky enough so that when we put down the yellow, it does not pull up any of the white and the screen doesn't stick. After that's done, we're going to put the very final coat on, which is the yellow/gold. And again, I want to point out how big this print is. Many screen printers can't print on the full leg of sweatpants or flannel pants. We're going to bring this around and put down the final color. And there it goes. We'll do more than one stroke to get a nice thick layer of ink down, which is what you want for these types of prints. And that's going to come out just beautifully. We're going to gently lift up that screen, make sure nothing's sticking. And look at how beautiful that looks. That is a nice full leg sweatpant. Now we're going to take that off the press and we're going to send it through the dryer. Here we've got to be careful to not stretch anything. You can see this process is pretty delicate. We can't do too many at a time. It's a very artisan process. And there it is, still wet, but ready to be dried and sent through the dryer. Full leg print on a pair of sweatpants. So if you need a pair of sweatpants or flannel pants where we're printing on the full leg in one or two colors, just give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing and let's talk about your project. We like projects ranging from 12 pieces up to thousands of pieces. Give us a call.